Are we live? Kiki! Brothers, stop. I hate these tie frames right now. Bro, gold, like, why? Okay, so... Man, this right here, I fucking absolutely hate, bro. No volume coming into open. Like, that shit is ridiculous. Look at this. Reject all these 43s. Finding some type of support down here. It's like, bro, we're just not getting any volume. And I'm not even looking for that many points. I'm looking for like 4 points on this move. Fucking ridiculous, bro. There, be right back. Play some music in here. All right, give me 1 sec, guys. I really hope this trade works out in our favor. We have support down here at these 4-hour lows. Feel this gap to the left that we had. Impulsive move. This is clearly rejection, some rejections down here. So, wish I got a better entry, but hey, I can ride this thing up to here. So, we'll see. I'm literally just trying to get past this hourly break at 4 a.m. If we can break past this 4 a.m. high, X5M was shit. We got the low here at 6 a.m. at 424. Yeah, we need to break these highs here at 432. Once we break that, I definitely think we can see the 440s. So 440 should be like a zone of interest. 840, so I need to play. Bro, what is this? Why is my shit being so slow? Okay. Realistically, we're gonna be waiting on this 3-minute candle to open, and this current 5-minute is looking a little bullish. If we can just keep this pressure, that'd be nice. Man, it's just such an ugly area. I wish I got in these lows right here. It's just to the left. But realistically, we got to these Asia highs. We need to get volume. Like, London was just chop. This was London all right here. From here all the way to like about here. So for me, this is the range here to here, from London and a little bit of Asia all the way down here. It's like, okay, I definitely believe that if we can break London highs, we can definitely see these Asia highs or create new New York highs. So kind of my thought process on this, honestly. Trash entry because I entered early before pre-market. I wish I would have waited a little bit. Ah! What the hell did I do with my Wii, man? Got some greenery.
Order filled.
Can we finally get a move up, chat? Next 15 minutes gonna be important. Next 30-minute candle is gonna be important. Like, I just don't want this hour to go below these 24s. Where's the volume, Gold? Show us volume! I can tell Gold to show us fucking volume, dude. It's been always dead in the morning on Gold. I don't understand. Oh. Dude, what is this? Why is Gold so poop in the morning? It's honestly a little bit upsetting. This is so whack. Bro, can't get any fucking volume. Wish I did one contract on this, bro. Fuck. May have to call my losses here in a sec. Depending if we don't get any like pushback, bro. This is fucking ridiculous. Like, to come back to test this again is crazy work, bro. Dude, what? This is wild rejection. Like, we should have been popped this. This is such a clean move. Let me show you guys. Bro, this shit would stop taking forever to fucking load. Is it like my area, bruv? Like, what is this? Bro, it's not even loading my chart. I'm gonna read chat here in a second, bro. I'm trying to get this shit to load. Dog. Load. Nonsense, brother. Y'all are seeing this firsthand. This is such a trash, like the trade is honestly solid. It's just because there's no volume, it's asked to be in because it makes no sense why there isn't no volume. Like every time New York opens, bro, there's just no volume on gold. Like it does not make sense. Like the trading for gold has been completely different in the past like 2-3 months, bro. Like no volume, no volatility. That's odd for gold. That's so odd for gold. Yo, Hayes, if you're in here, dude, I really do appreciate it. Trying to get a good setup here. Can we get like a 15-minute reversal? Like, why are we trending below Asia and London lows? We even broke into the 30s, dog. I'll roll something. Roll something to smoke. This is whack. No volume. We have no volume. No volume. No volume. Man, if this 15-minute can reject and get another 15-minute open, that'd be solid. I'm just literally looking for the move for the pop. We're literally looking for the pop. we're not getting anything, dog. Ah! Come on, gold. Stop being a disappointment. This whole hour literally should just pushed us up. We rolling up right now. Trash trade right now. We get rejection. Let's reach chat. Have y'all said anything in chat? Nope. Come on, gold. Let's get a pop. It's like you're poking at it, telling it to do something. Like times like this literally makes me not want to trade gold during New York anymore, or wait till later in the day to trade gold, because just the way it should be. Yeah, this is so ass. Is the hour even open yet? Yeah, the first 15 minutes, bro, straight dog water. Dog water. Dog water trades. Dog water trades. That's how you do it. Walk away and enjoy the rest of your day. Let's go gold. Let's go gold. Volume, 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 volume. Where's the volume? And it's like, we're watching NQ fall. Like, NQ is literally falling right now. And it doesn't make sense to why we're just keep dropping on gold. Like, just no volume, just stagnancy. Shit, that's so dog shit. Like, what is that? Dog water has strings. Bro, we can't even tap these highs. Like, what is... Gold, you're such a disappointment. It's crazy. It's like, I always choose to trade gold and trade gold over NQ, and it's just like, sometimes, bro, it's like, screw trading gold, bro. Like, holy mackerel. Like, what is this? Like, bro, no volume since open, and then we got all the volume, like what? What is this chop? Like, what is this chop? Let's be honest. This thing's not even fucking smoking, bro. Fudge. Bro. I'm getting cooked. Real life getting cooked out here. Bro, I don't see chop on NQ. I mean, NQ was like sells from today, but like we're just chopping on gold. Like, just no volume on gold like all the time is literally ridiculous. Like, every New York Open, bro, just no volume on gold. Like, straight consolidation, trading in a fucking range, like that shit right there. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. So when we look, this is a range that we need to break out of, right? This right here is a range we got to break out of. Let me make the opacity like lighter. So if we look here, based on these candlesticks, this was an impulsive move on Friday. I think this was Friday or Monday, right? 25th was Friday. Was the 25th Friday or Monday? That was Monday. So we had that impulsive move on Monday just to create the high of this range. Now we retested that range again, broke above the range, came back down into the range to retest. We got a W pattern forming, testing the range again and popping back down. So we know that this is a clear area of support and this is a range of resistance on the 15-minute time frame. So realistically, we need to have a pop and break above this to continue going higher. Because I 100% believe we can hit 3,440. The matter is when. This whole week has been garbage, especially yesterday and today. There's no way I'm shorting NQ on such a strong. Yeah, bro. Like, bro, look at NQ. Let me show you NQ right now. What in the balls, bro? Like, why would you be shorting here? And plus, we have earnings later today on retesting back into this range. We have earnings later today, on Nasdaq. I mean, said not Nasdaq, on Nvidia. Nvidia earnings are today, so it's a plus on that one. Dude, what is this, bro? Like, seriously? I don't even want to look at it, bro. I'm just gonna look at what I'm trading. Like, wowzers, bro. So what I'm looking for here is I'm waiting for this 30 minutes to finally close. I would like to close above this lower range and be like around the middle area or the 430s. So that was a key level during London. So we got to break that. You're long in on gold here. Yeah, longs on gold here would be honestly solid. It's not too terrible. Because we're trading into that range. Bro, why is my shit not loading? This shit is like toxic. Shut up, Kiki. So it's decent 15-minute candlestick currently. Currently decent 15-minute candlestick. Shut up, Kiki. Bro, she just be meowing. Like, stop meowing, motherfucker. Meow, 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 meow. That's all she does. Meow, 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 meow. If y'all don't know this song, y'all bugging. Hopefully you got a solid entry on gold. What was your entry? Hopefully the music is not too loud. I mean, I could definitely turn down the music a little bit. Okay, turn down the music a little bit. Hopefully that sounds like better. You can like still hear me. Yeah, so wait, let me know if you can still hear me even with the music, or do I need to lower the music? Do I need to increase my voice, lower my voice? Let me know. It's my baby girl Nami. Hey. Bro, she's so funny, bro. You're so funny. Well, let me show y'all my baby. My little trophy. My little troublemaker, Benny. Okay, I'm sorry. He's like, bro, I want to go eat. He was eating, so I pulled him away from his food. Okay, okay. Okay, you can hear me just fine. You got in around 425. That's honestly a solid entry, so you should be up right now. Hey, bro, this is ridiculous. I got in at the high of the range. Getting high of the range fucking sucks cock. See how this 15-minute opens. I would love this 15-minute to, like, bro, look at this. Okay. So what I see here is support down in this area. And then if we look at this 15, bro, it's creating a W pattern. Yeah. W. Y'all see that? Oh, I need to make it bigger. What color should I make it? Like white? Is white easily to be able to be seen? What's a color that's able to be seen on this chart? Black. Black. Yellow? Yeah, yellow's perfect. Caution. So when we look, where is it, bro? Just hate it. We can see the range we got here. Testing a low, making a higher high. Lower low. Slightly higher high. Higher low. Break past this. Bro, what the hell? Bro. I'm stuck. He's stuck. Fun, ain't it? I know what I'm looking for, boys. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Bombastica. I like this 15-minute candle. What I don't like is this 30-minute. I need this to close in order for me to say, like, okay, cool, we have some type of pushback. Hour looks kind of decent now. 4 hour looks a lot better than what it used to. It closes in 3, and this 4 hour just opened up. So that could be good sign for us to probably get momentum. I'm just looking for volume to the 46s. That's it. I'm just looking for volume to the 46s. Nothing crazy, nothing extravagant, extreme. We just need to get volume. Like, bro, I wanted to tap Asia highs from yesterday. Gotta buy Thebe right now to tap Asia highs. But we need to break back into those 30s. And I remember during London, that was a tough area to purchase at. So we would have to break past that. But like right now, we're just trading range. We are just trading the range, unfortunately. Sad. Sad. I hate trading range unless I catch the bottom. So we need the next. we need some push. Dude, NQ. I'm tired of looking at it. Gold looks just so good for longs right now. The 4-hour is strong. Always pay attention to the higher time frame of trading. Yeah, shut up. Shut up, Kiki. Kiki, shut the fuck up. Shut up, Kiki. She's in heat. I need to clear my carpets, bro. Like, you don't realize how much cat hair gets everywhere. It's shaded, baby. I shaved spots. You guys want to see my apartment? It's a mess right now. Keep that in mind. My apartment is a mess right now. Coming together. Car's not done yet. A lot that I gotta do. Here's my apartment. So I got these tables. They light up. They're like $5,000. These tables are expensive. This couch is like $2,000. This chair, like around $2,000. That fireplace, $2,000. Chair was $3,000. Statue, $8,000. Everything's expensive in this apartment. Let me show y'all my place from this angle. You'll see. Plays come together. I have to hang up like a lot more artwork. Lights. That has lights, fireplace, lights, AC and heat. AC and heat. Let me say that again. AC and heat. Then you got sweet pergola here. Oh. I love I wish Nico was here. He's at my mom's. My Doberman? I got a Doberman. He's at my mom's right now. I'm glad you're in gold, dude. Let's go grab. Gold looking decent right now, chat. Gold looking good right now. Dude, who doesn't love trading, dog? Trading is awesome. No matter what happens in trading, bro, it's literally such a blessing. So what I'm waiting on here is I would love to see a 15-minute open to make this pop. And we need this 30 minutes to close, like bullish. So we can break above this key level of consolidation, range, the 15-minute time frame. You clearly see this is a range of a 15-minute. And we honestly have a key. This right here is a sign. Knowing that we had this hammer and we rejected, and we're staying below this hammer, if we can stay above these 430s, like I said, that would be solid. So like I said, we have to break above the 430s, which is a key level, psychological number that was during during London session last night when I was trading. I made some money off of London session last night. So let's say above these 430s. Stay above the 430s, which is this hammer right here. If you stay above the 430s, I definitely see us hitting the 440s at least. This is one level of resistance at the 430. Second level resistance around where I can have my TP at, and then the third level is this 440s. If we break 440s, we're flying. I'm trading these evals because I want to show people that you don't need a big account size to literally make money. You can trade a 50K and be eating. We need some jams today, Jeff. Coming to you live at the Sunrise High Mountain Studio, where we play neo, soul, R&B, lo-fi, and upbeat chill beats. Bro, this shit is fire. This trade could be such a solid trade, man. I just wish I didn't... Bro, if I didn't get at these fucking highs, I would have already made money today. Well, I did make money today, but I wouldn't be as down as I am. I might share my whole screen so y'all can see the other shit that I'm trading too, because I am trading other accounts also. Get what we're looking for, guys? Yeah, we get what we're looking for. Alright, I'm up on my live account right now. My live account, I'm up like a little over $1,000. Almost up on my Apex account. Up 15K for today. Gold trade on all tops of coins. Let's fucking go, baby. Talking about, brother. He does this. He does this. Who am I live with? I'm live with Take Profit Trader. I'm live with Prop Shop Trader. I was live with Trade Day, but I liquidated my accounts because I wanted to restart on their fundeds because they're better for their live program. Every firm has different live programs that are better. Like, I think personally, like, why use your own capital? I'm gonna use my funded capital to make a live account. I made over $800,000 this year just trading prop firms. Don't ever tell me that someone says, "Oh, you gotta trade a live account." Anybody that says firms are not worth it, they're lying to you. They're lying to you. You know how many fucking people I've come across that be like, "Oh yeah, don't trade firms, just trade your own live capital. You know, fuck firms, you're against you know because you can't pass it. You may be good at trading, but it's like you just can't pass the firm." To me, I feel like if you can't pass a prop firm as a trader and have a live account and like be able to maintain it, bro, like what are you doing? Yeah, firms are worth it if you don't make money trading, but it's like it's literally a cheat code. So it's like, why not? Yeah, for real. Like, okay, think about it. To me, I'd rather waste my. Okay, think about it. Would you rather waste $3,000, right? $3,000 to go through evals and funded stages and stuff like that to get a payout, or waste $3,000 of your own money and all of it's gone, like because you take two bad trades or one bad trade? I think I have more chances passing more accounts to buy like as many 50Ks as I want until I fucking pass. Like, let that sink in. 50Ks, 100Ks, 100. Like, it's a no-brainer because even if I spent up to like $3,000, right? Let's say I spent $3,000 in accounts in the past like 6 months, and I finally get funded and I get my first payout of 5K, bro. It doesn't even fucking matter. Especially if you copy accounts, bro. That shit's worth it. People be sleep. So I don't understand how. If y'all haven't tried this, it's an exclusive from Arizona. The watermelon dragon fruit splash. Y'all see this? You see this shit? Yeah, take a look. Oh, it's a dragon fruit watermelon with a little bit of splash. I'm like, what's the splash part? What do you mean by that? So now we're just waiting for gold to break the 15-minute range, which is also what chat a 30-minute range. The 30-minute just open up bullish. We could get a possible break of this range. Let's see what happens within the next 3 to 5 minutes. Got a little bit of pop now. Can we break this? Little, that's the splash part. That's funny. How you doing, Brandon? What's going on? Why are you waiting for it to hit above 430? Is it because of the resistance next to the hammer? Yeah. And plus, that was a key level during London, and I'll show you right here. Let me share my whole screen for you guys. Okay, so I'm trading multiple accounts right now. I'm trading Apex, trading a live account, I'm trying to pass these day traders accounts, like halfway to passing, and then I would like to pass these. Let me show you guys here. So This should probably make it a little bit cleaner so you guys can see it. Remember the session real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna delete some of these so you guys don't have to see them. This way you can see what I'm seeing. Okay. Look at the daily, right? Previous daily bullish. We came back to test these lows, which is a key level of support. Look to the left. See the daily candlesticks. We have this gap up here to fill. Like all this is free range. The only resistance is right here in this current zone. And the next level would be, I would say, around here. Around these 470s, 460s. And then next one 490s, and then 500s, and so on. Key levels of psychological numbers. Look at the 4 hour. Look at this. No volume. Back and forth, no volume. We have two engulfing candles. So this right here was just straight bullish momentum. And this was impulsive move, impulsive move. 2 days, 2 candlesticks impulsive moves on Friday and Asia Monday, right? And then we finally formed something on Tuesday. So this has to be the leg up, the continuation here. Show you. Can I like draw something? Let me draw something. Right? Click. So I'm really just looking on the continuation. And then if we look, like this right here is somewhat holding. Then we go to like a 1 hour time frame. We're holding these levels right now. And if we open up the session highlight, we can clearly see this is the high of New York right now, which is 434, right? We can set an alert there. So we know that's New York high. This current in daytime New York high, right? And if we look, we have London session here, this little blue stuff. This is the high of London, the 434. So we could say this right here, London high, right? We were trying to break this current New York high. Y'all with me? Okay. And then being that the Asia high was here, I'm gonna just say the 440 because I like that number better because it's more psychological. I mean, you can use 445. I like 440, even though it's a little bit lower than the high. So we can clearly see we need to break these Asia at 433. So we know these 430s are a key psychological number that needs to be broken, as we've seen in the past, right? And then we also know that we're in a range right now. We're in a 30 and 15 minute range. Sucks, but this range we have to break out. 15 minute range, right? Like everything lines up exactly. And I'm going off of mainly the higher time frame because I see that we have strong 4 hour bullish momentum, and these last two candlesticks had no volume whatsoever. And it was buyers and sellers trying to see what we could do. And I was watching this during London last night. So if I know these 30s was fighting last night during London, why would it not be a key level during New York? Why would it not be an area of interest during the recession? That just makes sense. Look off the 15-minute candlestick patterns. Like, you got this hammer here that we need to stay above. And clearly that's why we're kind of struggling right here. But if we can break above this range, break above this hammer, this reversal candle, we're going to fly. Just gotta wait. I'm glad you made money on gold. Are you about to pass your combine, or how far are you from passing? Brandon, how's your morning going? What are you up to? These messages. Those are important. What a fight this has been, right? I like this 3 minute. Previous 3 minute though. Currently 9:39. Let's see what happens at 9:45 to 10 a.m. Good. Woke up later than I wanted, but literally saw your post and clicked on it. Now here. I'm glad you're here, man. Hopefully you learning a little bit. So the thing about trading is you always want to wait for candlesticks to close before you enter a trade. The reason being is you don't want to get caught in the actual like movement, so you wait for it to close to get more of a confirmation. Okay, this is where the move is about to happen. This is where it's about to start, or based off of the area, what's going to happen, right? And I trade very simple, bro. I just trade support, resistance, key levels, psychological numbers, trade ranges, breakouts, retests, pullbacks, reversals. You can see this is just a range. This right here is just a range. Like this, we need to recover. This was all Asia volume. This is London volume. Now we're in New York volume. Insane, bro. Literally insane. But what I do like, guys, is this current 15-minute candle. Did you take any notes, by the way? Have you been studying some of the stuff that we talked about? I'm sure you haven't done everything yet, but sure a little bit. So my thing is, how are we going to react on this next 50-minute candle open? How are we going to react on the next 30-minute candle open, as well as the next hourly candle open? I think those are going to be key things that we have to be mindful of in order to get a bullish continuation move. I guess one thing I'm confused about is how far to go back, look for the support and resistance. So it's like, why go back to the hammer instead of the last support and resistance about 5 candles? Okay, so to answer your question on that is why? Because history repeats itself. I mean, you don't have to go super far back, but you can just go as far back as even like the beginning of the month or last week. It's just based on levels. So like for instance, in real time, right? I drew this hourly support. Like if I didn't know better, I'd draw the support now. But then as I'm drawing out the support, the reason why I know this is support level is we look to the left, we also notice the key level resistance, because what's resistance can be support, what support can be resistance, right? So if we look, we can see that it did not touch, but we maintained this area. Look to the left, same thing here, has support. Even though it went past it a little bit, those are fake outs, those are liquidity grabs. We don't care about those. We care about the move that's going to happen after. And if you can catch the move that happens after, which is like breakouts, pullbacks, and retests, like for instance, if we were back here in this trade in time, like way back here on Wednesday on August 6th, you can easily enter this trade off of like support off of this level, resistance off of this level, wait for the breakout, had the breakout here, retested back into the resistance area, now becoming support, boom, easy move up. Like history does repeat itself, but you never want to get stuck in the sauce too much. But the higher time frame is your friend, and if you use the higher time frame to your advantage, those will help you stay in a trade longer, because the higher time frame has more information. Lower time frame doesn't have that much information. If you don't have that much information, you're only within the sauce. You need to see outside the sauce, because we're trying to see what's going to happen in the long run, even though we're currently trading right now, right? Whether you're swing trading, whether you're scalping, intraday trading, it doesn't matter. That's kind of how I see it. So I base it off of the higher time frame, work my way down to the lower time frame, and I base my entries off of either maybe a 30-minute candlestick open or close, or a 15-minute candlestick open or close. And then there's times where I'll get in off an hour or 4 hour. You know, it just depends on the type of trade and what I'm seeing when I'm looking at the chart. He said, I'm gatekeeping that shit with my life. I'm stressed. And then I also use like macros, which is like the time. There's different times. If you watch how a specific ticker symbol moves, after a while you can see kind of like what's gonna do at a specific time. Like certain times it may not do it all the time, but it'll do something similar. Now, is it always 100% correct? Is it always 100% right? No. News comes into play, tweets, other bullshit. So the thing is, we want to protect our capital and have a plan. The main thing is always have a plan when coming to take a trade. If you don't have a plan before you hit buy or sell, why are you taking a trade? Don't make no sense. And you see how I was telling you guys, these 30s is a key area. Like we have to pop above these in order to go higher. Y'all liking the musica? I'm liking the musica. Now remember what I say. Let's see how this next 15-minute candle opens. We have to see how this 15-minute closes, how the next 15-minute opens, and then also I'm waiting for the next 30-minute as well as the next hourly. So 15, 30, and hour are key importances. Okay, this 15-minute just opened. Keep that in mind. Candle, when a candle just opens, it's rough. First couple minutes. Gold needs to go higher. Gold is nowhere near the high that it even needs to be because ever since we've tested these highs time and time again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we've broken back into these lows. Tuesday broke out of this range that was support and was resistance, now creating some type of support here. So for me, I would love for us to break above these 3,440. Anything above 3,440, bro, it's clear indication of new levels. New level, because the market moves in levels, ranges, ups, down, sideways, left, right. Said I need gold to flush. No, we need gold to the moon. So we're up on our live like 400 bucks, up almost 1,500 bucks today. If I can be up like 2,600 to 3K, I'd be so happy with that. Up on the Apex account, trying to pass the Apex account. I need to get it to 15K to pass. I was gonna add more of them, but I was gonna buy more like later today. Just buy all the rest that I need and just copy them. I'm stacking up more firms now. I'm adding like another 6 firms to the list. It'll be almost a total of 19 to 20 firms that I'll be active with. Or reply to messages and stuff. What Kiki? Dude, we have not been in profit all morning. What firm do you recommend I buy next VD? I have 5 150K top sets and I love the no consistency. I'm thinking TD. Tick Trader. Tradeify is good for instance funding, but Tick Trader, because Tick Trader has no consistency at all. It's straight to funded plus. I'll show you. So these are a lot of the firms I have. Yes, I was watching anime. Fuck you guys. I love anime. So I'm logging into Tick Trader and show you guys. I gotta buy a new account on here, bro. I failed some anyway. But it's part of it, bro. You're gonna fail accounts. So, Tick Trader, look at this. What does this say? No, it doesn't. Okay, so with Tick Trader, you buy the 100K. You buy more than 2 accounts, right? I'm gonna explain it to you right now. Let me turn off this music so I can explain it. Buy at least a minimum of 2 accounts. Why? Because I'm gonna tell you why right now. Now, in order to get a payout on this, you want the 100K. You just want to make a minimum of $500 a day or more if you want buffer. It doesn't matter, but you just have to make a minimum of $500 for it to count as a trading day or a point, right? You need to get 0.5% of 100K is, you know, $500. So if you can make that, that counts as a point. You get 10 points, it counts towards your trading days. Every point is a trading day. 10 points, you get your first payout. After that, it's 7 points, and then you can request a payout. So the cool thing is the max cap is 2,000 per cycle. But what they do is out of that 2,000, they keep their percentage, and a little bit of that money goes into your live wallet balance. So $800 of it goes to your live wallet balance. Now, what is that? Your live wallet balance is this right here. What they'll do is every single payout that you get, they help build your live wallet balance. So by the time, even if you blow your straight to funded plus, if you got a couple payouts, your live wallet balance will be built up. Once it gets to $5,000, if you only have 1 account, they automatically transfer you to a live account. If you have more than 2 accounts, it has to be above $10,000 for a live wallet balance for them to transfer you to live. So you want more than 2 accounts, so you can go to the max amount of money to a live account. If you blow your live account, they just take you back to your straight to funded plus. So you don't even go back to like the eval. So whatever money is left in your straight to funded plus, you still get to trade with. So it's just a continuation. So there's no like real reason to like not purchase these. And then you can, even on checkout, you can add the add-on so where there's no daily loss limit, so you get the full drawdown, right? So the only downside is if you take an L, it doesn't count for you or against you, it just counts as 0 points. If you lose money, obviously if you blow your account and you hit the max drawdown, obviously that's the way you blow. So it's like, it's a no-brainer. I don't know why people aren't talking about Tick Trader like this. It's literally a no fucking brainer. This is the next firm I'm hopping on with their new straight to funded plus plan. So you want the straight to funded plus plan. Can you do Tradeovate? Oh, you can't do Tradeovate. It's only Project X. So you have to use Project X. They don't. Do they use Tradeovate? Okay, no, they use Tradeovate. So you can use Tradeovate or Project X, but I like Project X, so I use it for some firms. Do they pay? Yeah, I've been paid out by Tick Trader. Yeah, I've been paid out multiple times by Tick Trader. So they do pay. Also, Tradeify. I know the CEO of Tradeify. He's actually a good friend of mine. I can actually kind of show you guys. Ooh, my friends. See? That's Brett. The CEO of Tradeify. I really got it like that. I'm just saying, guys. I really do got it like that. I'm not joking. Okay, enough flexing. Sorry. Yeah, Brett's cool as fuck. Alright, guys, we're finally getting a little bit of a pop here. If you can tap into this zone, bro, I will get enough exactly what I need in order to pass these top step combines, and I will activate these top step combines today and trade them for the rest of the week. And I'll see if I can get my 25K payout on the 50K, because I'm doing this thing to where I'm trying to show people that you don't need a big, you don't need 100K, you don't need a 150K, you don't need 250, you don't need you can use a small account size with just $50 and then pay $149 to activate, and you can make money. So I'm trying to show people that. It's been a slow grind. I don't like trading small accounts. You know what I'm saying? I prefer 150Ks or higher. 100K if that's what the max that they have. So I'm realistically waiting on this gold pop. We can tap those 35s and break into those 40s. So these are 300Ks I'm trying to pass right now. And then we're up on our live account. Yeah, we're breaking highs, fucker. Breaking highs, fucker. So we have a solid 30-minute candle. So now I'm wanting to wait to see how the next 30-minute candle opens in the next 5 minutes, as well as the next hourly candle. If those candlesticks can stay above this level, above this range, yes, we can see the next range being hit, or the next key level of liquidity, whatever you want to call it. Institutions, FDGs, fair value gap. Like, it's all the same shit, just different terminologies, bro. Literally. Banks, institution, quarter points, like PDRAs, like, bro, the list goes on. You don't have to know everything to make money, and that's the thing I love about trading. My trading is so fucking simple. I can literally teach it to anybody, and they can instantly go start to trying to learn to make money. All you got to do after that is getting the experience, the psychology, the mental, the risk management, and then getting the accounts, you know, and building up your capital. Kiki, you want to go outside? Oh yeah, let me show y'all my balcony. I haven't showed y'all my balcony yet. Y'all see? I got a hand pair. I really got a hand pair. Oh, I got a hand pair. Up here. A little hot. The sun is coming out. Then I have my my little table here, and it's foldable. So like you can fold it down, and then like you can move it where you want. It creates more space, more areas. Then we got all this out here. You got the road there. You got the highway, the bank. Wells Fargo's ass. Don't if you're with Wells Fargo, leave Wells Fargo and join Chase. Like you're making no sense if you don't hop in with Chase Bank. Chase Bank is awesome. We're waiting on this next 15 minute to open. 30 in 1 hour. Can we finally get the pop and break past these Asia highs? It's insane how you can spend like 5% of one payout to get 5 more fund accounts, and then you pay. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's literally a fucking cheat code, and people don't realize that. And I'd be like telling people, like, stop being scared to get into futures. Stop being scared to join my mentorship. Like, bro, just join, because I will literally teach you the sauce to make fucking money. And they don't want to. Yes, the key is to master and walk away, but the also main thing is to securing your first payout. I've been there, done that. But if you have a plan, then stick to it. I'm just trying to protect you and your capital, and
Order filled.
just streamed on live and just hit for TP. I hate when people try to go against me giving advice. It's really fucking wild. Bang, TP hit, by the way. Boom, and that's how you pass. I think I've traded 2 days on this. Was it 2 days? I think it was 2 days. I gotta lose some money though. Let's trade micros. See if we can lose some money here.
Order filled.
Oh no! Fuck! I did the wrong thing. Ah! Okay, hold on. Let's do this.
Order filled.
I'm so weak. I'm retarded. Give me my money. Just to make enough to pass. Don't sleep on me now, brother. Up 1,000 on this, which isn't too bad. 2K on that one. We barely just opened. We're gonna see the 40s sometime today. Where's my lighter? Ooh, that 15-minute open. Poop. I'm gonna eat sushi, dude. I need to eat sushi sometime this week. I hate this hourly open. Ass. Oh, my boy Xavier's. Yo, what's up, bro?
Got a good day for Swisher.
Swishers?
Nah, my nickname, bro. Swisher.
Oh, yeah. The chat. Why? What
Not a
happened?
good day for Swisher, bro. Bro, so like, this is how I'm feeling right now. I'm convinced I'm a profitable trader. From here on out, I know I'm gonna get more payouts. There's more
I've always
payouts.
told you that, bro. I always told you just tweaking.
Yes. Yeah. I haven't blown my accounts. I haven't, I'm not in like some crazy tilt. Um, Today, so on the 150K, number one, I got in a trade, a long, and on the long, I fucking I don't know why I think I was just like fried. I didn't have that much time in the morning to get ready. I left this girl's crib, walked to my crib, and I got here like 9:20. And I set up my laptop. I had already had some shit. Bro, I took some fire trades last night. I'm looking to start trading the overnight session. Yesterday, I don't know why I closed it out.
Session?
Asia and London. So Asia, I literally caught the top, bro, at 626. I would have caught 130 points, bro. So at 626, I started seeing we like inverse on the 4 hour and we inverse on the 1 hour. And it was like Asia, and I entered short, right? And dude, the stop loss was so small because Asia moves so slow. The stop loss was like 11 points, bro. And my TP was 130, which was like previous New York lows. And bro, this shit overnight, you know when you just set a stop loss and you don't set a take profit?
Yeah.
I was scared of it like going down and then reversing me closing out mad early. So I wake up at like 2 in the morning, 3 a.m. Close it out, bro. I think it was like 40 ticks. So I made like $500
That's a good amount of
from that
ticks,
trade
yeah.
and a previous trade, right? A scalp.
Uh-huh.
Tell me why, bro. This shit never went to my stop loss.
And kept going?
If I would have just let it ride, it rode all the way down today to 130 points, bro. That would have just caught on 2 minis. 2 minis, bro.
So my question to you is, when you had woke up and saw that, rather than, just taking profit, why didn't you just say, okay, now that I'm up a little bit, why don't I just move my stop loss to like break even or a little bit more in profit? So that way, if it keeps going, or you could have took half, let the rest ride, move stops to break even.
It comes with experience, I had to get more experience. I had to just, like learn from moments like that where I'm like, okay, I know I can do that. Now it's a matter of being confident enough to say, okay, I'm gonna stay in this. I'm not gonna.
Exactly, because we always have an option. I think we forget that as traders. We think like, oh, when we're in a trade, we should just close. We set a stop loss TP. It's like, bro, you have other tools to your advantage. You can take half, move stop loss to break even after you take that half. So then even if that one contract rides and it reverses, you're still gonna take something off the table. And if it doesn't, and you wake up, oh shit.
When I was thinking about it, I was already up 290 entering this trade, and those 11 points, bro, it's 200 something dollars of risk.
Yeah.
So I was practically playing with house money that I had already from the start, from the beginning of Asia session.
And that's what I do. If you've noticed, any money that I've made during Asia or London, I risk either half of that or a percentage of that going into the next session. So it gives me that much more wiggle room if I already have a certain amount of risk that I'm risking. Because now it's just house money.
Bro, I would have, and that's when I woke up, I looked at my stop loss and I'm like, bro, if you just leave your stop loss, the worst that can happen is you lose $200. And that's out of the 297 I had already paid.
And then you still wake up and still have a second chance to trade because you're giving yourself a second chance.
Bro. But yeah, I mean, it comes with time. Anyways. So I tried catching the long. For some reason, I set a fucking buy order as if I was in a short as my stop loss, bro. I was all over the place.
Mm-hmm.
So price comes back, it just scales me into another mini, bro. And then it keeps going down. I end up closing it, whatever. After I close it, I re-enter. I close out early because we were coming into like this like higher time frame, like PD ray, and I was like, oh shit, like we're gonna reverse here. This is the shorts that I was looking for, bro. I exit, change my bias, go short, which I never do. I think I was just getting, bro. I need to start learning. I'm gonna adapt. My roommate told me right now, I'm gonna have like a board set up with all my.
Yeah, I have a whiteboard. I have a whiteboard at my house. I actually got to bring it over here to my apartment.
Because I think I feel confident already. I have the confidence. I feel good at my analysis and all that. Like I walked away today. I could have blown my accounts. I could have like over traded like I used to.
I'm glad you walked away.
Got nuts. On the 250 case, I didn't lose. I think I lost 147.
Oh, that's nothing, bro. You're chilling,
Yeah.
bro. You're
And
good.
I made
And
40
bro,
bucks.
in this week, if you got and look, bro, think about it this way. Take a moment to take a step back, right? Look how choppy Monday and Tuesday were, and you still bagged off of that. Today was just a slight fucking. Today was a break even day, brother. We still have the rest of this week.
Yeah. So yeah, so I'm break even on basically on the 50Ks, but on the 150K, I think I'm like the number, like the fact that it's a bigger account makes me more aggressive with the account, which
Uh-huh.
I don't think is a bad idea. It's just I need to minimize those risks, those losses to like
Order
500
filled.
or 600 instead. You know, not 1,300. That's what I lost today on the 150K.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's a
That
little.
sets me back. You know.
Yeah.
That sets me back. Because if I'm making 1,200 a trade, you know, 1,500 or like 1,700 like the other day,
Order filled.
that's great. But if my losses are fucking
Order filled.
1,400, 1,500, like I'm
Order
not gonna
filled.
roll this account, you know. So, but yeah, I mean, that was just a matter of one, I overtraded. Two, closed out early. Sloppy. It's just dumb trading. But I mean, it didn't blow my account. I still have like 3,200 of drawdown. Like I'm chilling.
Order filled.
What the fuck? I only need like $10.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Stop fucking with me, bruv.
But I'm green for the week on a 250Ks, bro.
I'm proud of you, bro. I'm so proud of you. I feel like you've come so far from where you were from the day I met you. You know what I'm saying? From like now, brother, you've come a long way.
Order filled.
Good, bro. I look at my P&L. The P&L is like great, but like it's the fact that like it's been a result of like just not even looking at it. Just like focus. I'm taking good trades, you know, good setups.
And that's all you need.
Yes. Yes, bro.
Dude, where the fuck
What do you
is
think
it?
of the dating clips for like they're fire, right?
Dude, I fucking love them.
Yeah, I guess. He actually served
Order filled.
This is why I tell you, get down. You fucking troublemaker. You are following him. Stop. He's bad for you. Don't do that. Like, bro, Benny is like such a fucking menace now, and like Nami, she's more like chill, laid back. So like, she just follows what her big brother does, and it's like, bro, stop.
What do you want to do the rest of the day?
I just took the trade as if I was live, and it was my real money, so I can mentally be good and close out for $223 profit. Yo, good shit, brother.
Order filled.
Good shit, and she's flying now, baby.
Order filled.
I just got.
Order
I
filled.
gotta lose money. Oh, dude, I'm $1 away from passing.
Order filled.
$1. A holla dollar. Huh?
Gold is doing well.
Order filled.
Dude, what the fuck?
Holy shit. It's gonna be a fat move, dude. This gold consolidation's huge.
Yeah, I've been streaming it, bro.
Order
Holy
filled.
shit.
I'm literally just trying to make like $2 basically. I wanted to tap into these 40s, chat.
Holy shit.
Yeah, bro, I was streaming all this boarding. Everybody caught the move.
I see right here. Holy shit. 440s, yeah. This is gas.
Order
We're
filled.
getting a reversal here on
Order
WQ.
filled.
Nah, this looks like shit. Yeah, dude, I looked at my trade
Order
today in
filled.
hindsight. I'm
Okay,
pissed.
there we go. You said you looked at what?
Always in hindsight, it was like today's trade was so simple for me. The long on MQ.
And that's how we pass the 50Ks, chat. You don't need a big account to pass.
Okay. Let's see. Passed it already?
Yeah, I passed it in 2 days.
Yeah. That's fine.
And I'm up on my day traders account right now. I'm also trying to pass this, and I'm up on my live account, up like almost 3 stacks. And I'm about to pass Apex in another, like, give or take, if I can hit for this, I'll probably pass here. What is it, like 5,500, 442, 442.4.
Bro, I was gonna ask you, should I trade? Bro, I feel like, I don't know if I'm just like overthinking it. I've been trading the 50Ks together, obviously, like simultaneously.
Okay.
And the 150K,
I usually take minis on the 150K, and then sometimes because these stop losses on NQ have been pretty fat, I'm taking minis or micros for the 50Ks, and so I have to like go enter on one account, then enter the other on the other two. Should I
Chat
trade them
with
together,
15.
bro, or should I just have like days to trade one?
Okay, so coming from someone who trades literally multiple fucking firms, the key is the advantage to having multiple firms is more capital, right? And then the other advantage is you copy trade and you trade less. So what I do is I mitigate my risk where to one firm I have a set like contract size that I use, right? Maybe another firm I have a set risk that I use. This firm, low risk. When we take a certain amount of ticks, I'm done. Whatever happens, happens. Because you want to make it to where you have at least one firm, even if you have a bad week, bad day, whatever, bad month, you have one account that's slowly sustainable to keep you afloat. Because that is the main thing. Preserve and protect your capital. You don't have to trade every single account every day. I have so many accounts. Sometimes I'm only trading one. Today, I only traded one live account. And I'm trading 3 other evals.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I'm gonna start doing that. Yes, I was gonna do that today because it feels like I'm all over the place when I'm trying to enter on the 50K and then the 150Ks, especially when it's like the moves that are fast. You know what I'm saying? I can't like really.
Exactly. So just take your time.
Yeah. I'm gonna start entering just on the 50Ks or the 150K.
Alright. I need to send the chat the screenshot to show like 2 days, bro. You can pass these hoes.
Go to 70K. Yeah, bro. We're looking good this week. What do we have tomorrow, bro? Do we have news, bro? I need news, bro. I'm done with this like no news price action, bro.
I feel you, dude.
See today. Oh, Richmond Fed President Tom Barkin speech. It's not important. Okay, we have jobless claims tomorrow, bro. GDP.
Yeah. Oh shit. It said my subscription for my 50Ks got canceled. I had to activate them bitches. So I'm gonna activate them 50Ks today. And I'm gonna wait to trade tomorrow. There's no point for me to keep trading because I'm already in trades as is. So I'm gonna activate those later today.
Ooh, consumer sentiment on Friday at 10 a.m.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good one, boys.
And retail inventories, core PCE index.
All right, chat. I'm gonna end the stream. We made money on the 50Ks. I'm still trading these other accounts. So, deuces. W trade if you guys took it. I'll see y'all next stream.